much to love about living in Bowling Green, Kentucky. From shopping at Greenwood Mall, vibrant downtown festivals, top schools and healthcare, and convenient access to I-65, this home is minutes from it all, yet offers a quiet countryside retreat where you can relax and unwind. I'm Melissa Albert with the Living in Kentucky team by eXp Realty, and I'm excited to introduce you to 2291 Bristow Road, a great opportunity right here in Bowling Green. This home offers up to 4 parcels in one, totaling 12 acres of beautiful rolling land with multiple building sites or the opportunity for hobby farming. At the heart of it all is a beautifully updated home with spacious open floor plan and cozy fireplace. Offering 3 bedrooms and a total of 4 bathrooms, this home has been meticulously updated with modern amenities like smart lights, high-speed internet, and a chef's kitchen offering lots of storage and custom concrete countertops. The main level primary suite is a private retreat with a spacious bedroom, beautifully updated bathroom, and dream closet with its own dressing room. The upstairs living area is ideal for home office, kids hangout, or a media room, complete with a separate bedroom and bathroom. One of the unseen features you will enjoy are lowered energy bills, as the sellers have made energy efficiency improvements through the TVA. From the wraparound deck or large gazebo, take in the peace and quiet of country living and the perfect place to unwind, only minutes from idyllic Bowling Green.